If you're an independent artist and you're not registered with the MLC, you're literally leaving your money sitting in a government-created piggy bank. You see, most artists think they're already getting all their royalties from Spotify and Apple, but they're not. And if you haven't even registered, you can bet there's a whole chunk of your money sitting with the MLC. Hey, welcome to another episode of Learning with LoNdoN, where we break down the music business without the BS guys. Today we are diving into the MLC. If you're an independent artist and you feel like this can help you, please subscribe to this channel and motivate me to keep growing and creating. I also have a newsletter where you can grab my free royalties guide and get even more tips and advice. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description. With that being said, let's jump right into it. The MLC, also known as the Mechanical Licensing Collective, is a fairly new organization. I think it was made in either 2020 or 2021 to pay out the mechanical royalties from streaming services. So it's free, non-profit, and is specifically built for songwriters, producers, and composers like you and me. To make things easier, you can think of the MLC as the missing royalties office for your songs. So now, let's talk about what they pay you for. The MLC pays you mechanical royalties from interactive streaming services. Right here I'm talking about Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, Amazon, Deezer, the list goes on. Now I want you to listen closely because this is where most artists go wrong. You're probably thinking, I already get paid from my distributor, so I don't need to do this. But that's not the case, guys. These royalties that the MLC pay come from the composition side, and the money that your distributor pays comes from the master side. If you've been watching my content, then you know I made a whole video breakdown on that topic. Master's royalties are paid to whoever owns sound recordings. Mechanical royalties, which are part of publishing, pay whoever owns the composition. If this part still confuses you, then I want you to make sure you watch my Masters versus Publishing video so that you can understand how songs are broken down and how the payment system works. Then I want you to follow that up with more money than streams to make sure that you understand all the different types of publishing royalties that are out there for you. Getting back to the situation at hand, don't think the DistroKid and CD Baby and them handle it for you, because they don't. They don't ever create an MLC account, guys. And if you switch platforms, then your song data does not match across them. So basically, they have no association with the MLC whatsoever. This is why your songs can have 1 million streams and still have unpaid mechanical royalties waiting. Let's say you've never watched this video, or who am I? Maybe you don't want to listen to me. Then what? I'll tell you exactly what. The MLC will hold your money and label it as unmatched royalties. Then, after a certain amount of years, it'll get redistributed to other songwriters. So basically, you don't claim your money, then it goes to celebrities who don't even need it. There, you just bought Glorilla a tomahawk. Are you happy? So now that you decided to listen to me, here's how to register. First, you're going to create a free account on the MLC website. Then, you're going to add your songs using the exact metadata from your distributor. Now, if you've been keeping up with me for a minute, you know I posted a spreadsheet for you guys in order to keep this simple in my last video. If you don't have it, watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and visit the community page where you'll see it posted. Step 3, make sure you add splits and co-writers. That's it, guys. No PRO, no publisher. There is nothing else required. Any independent songwriter can do this. And hopefully now after watching this video, you will. So you're probably now wondering, how long is it actually going to take to see my money? Well, you'll be happy to know that the MLC makes payouts once a month. I mean, it's not the best, but it's better than a PRO. Hell, they pay out 4 times a year. And y'all thought teachers had it bad. Here's what I want you to take home from this. Your distributor pays you master's money. Your PRO pays you performance money. The MLC pays your mechanical money. You need all 3 of those in order to get a full bag. So if you feel like this video was helpful, smash that like and subscribe button, guys, and tag an artist who needs to watch. See you next time.